We have to use the Leibniz notation for the chain rule, which is over here, to find dy over dx for this particular expression. So dy over dx is, as per this rule, it's dy over du times du over dx. Dy over du, from here we differentiate this with respect to u, so the differentiation of 4 times u raised to 4 is outside. U raised to 4 will be 4u cube, and the differentiation of 2 is anyway 0. And then we have du over dx, so 3 comes out, it's a constant, and root x will be 1 over 2 root x. So this will become equal to 4 times 4 is 16, 16 times 3 is 48, 48 u cube in numerator and 2 root x is in denominator. This will become 24 u cube over root x. I'm not sure if we are supposed to answer just in terms of x or with u and x both will be okay. But even if it is not, I'm going to answer in both the ways. So I'm going to eliminate u from here. So we know that y is equal to 4u raised to 4 plus 2. Subtracting both sides 2 and then dividing both sides by 4, we have u raised to 4 here, and taking 1/4 power on both the sides. So y minus 2 over 4 raised to 1 over 4 is u. So this u we are going to substitute over here. So that will be 24 uh, 24 over root x. But again, this u will only be in terms of y and not in terms of x. So I think it's a good idea if we can actually, rather than doing this, what we are going to do is we are going to replace this u in terms of x, because u is already given as 3 root x, right? And u is 3 root x, so u we are going to substitute over in the top. So y will be equal to 4 times u raised to 4, which is 3 root x raised to 4 plus 2. This will be 4 times uh, 81x square plus 2. This will be 4 times 1 is 4, 8 times 4 is 32, 324x square plus 2. And all we have to do now is replace, since this y is in terms of x now. So first we write u in terms of y, 24 over root x, and u in terms of y will be y minus 2 over 4 raised to 1 over 4, which we wrote earlier. And now we replace this y in terms of x, so that's going to be 324x square plus 2 minus 2 over 4 raised to 1 over 4. So these two are cancelled. Then 24 over root x, and then we have 4 times 8 is 32, 4 times 1 is 4, 81x square raised to 1 over 4. So this will become 24 over root x times 3 root x, I think. So this root x and root x is cancelled, and we are left with 4 times 3 is 12, 2, this is 1, 3 times 2 is 6, and this is 7. So this value is actually coming as 72, which is pretty much surprising because that's actually a constant. So that's what we are getting. Thank you.